Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today I will show you guys another b-boy combo. This b-boy combo itself consists of 3 moves, a thread, a spin, and baby or chair freeze. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start. Now the first move that we're gonna do is the thread. What I love to do about thread is I want to start with a hook, from there to the thread. Looks something like this. Alright, so hook, open up. You can see this is the jet split position here. From this part, my right is gonna go in and my left leg's gonna across. Alright, now I'm gonna grab my right leg. I'm gonna do a thread. One more time. Again, remember, starting from hook, out, grab, thread. After the thread, we want to focus on our right leg here. Now my right leg is gonna come in, right? Come in, and my upper body is gonna go up as well. So my upper body and my right leg is gonna move at the same time. In, you can see. Now my right leg is gonna go in, and from here I'm gonna push up my body and I'm gonna go to the baby freeze. All right, I'm gonna catch and baby. Like I said earlier, you can go to baby or chair freeze. So you can do both, whichever you want, you feel comfortable with. One more time. Hook, out, grab, thread, spin, catch, baby. I'm gonna do it from the other angle so you can see when I do the freeze, it's gonna face to the camera. Hook, thread, turn, baby, chair. If this is too easy for you, we can level up. So instead we stop at the freeze, we can continue on to headstand, handstand. Alright, so we're adding more freeze onto it. So you can see footwork, thread, spin, freeze, headstand, handstand. Alright, so we're adding all those layers on top of it to make it more complicated and also looking much more stronger as a set. That's it for the tutorial. You can see we evolved from these quite simple steps, but we execute it right. When you execute it with a good speed and good timing, it becomes very solid. And like I said, we can even upgrade or level up this move by adding more freeze onto it. Like what I did just now, I'm adding another 2 freeze, the headstand and also the handstand. Okay, you know, just make sure you are able to do all those basic down first before combine all, so that your move won't look sloppy. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.